This 4-bedroom, 3 full baths home is located in the beautiful hills of Floyds, Indiana. Interior features of this property include walk-in closets, carpeted flooring, a full complement of kitchen appliances, central air conditioning, a finished basement, a large pantry, a whirlpool tub, a luxury master's suite, a family room, a workshop, and energy-efficient windows. On the outside, this property features an extra-large lot, a detached 2-car garage, an invisible fence, a patio, and a brick exterior finish. The approximate square footage is 2,848 square feet. This property is represented by
Madonna, Moody with Remax First.